I thought this would look really pretty with that pattern on the side. This is another Dollar Tree jar with like that crisscross pattern. The first thing I'm going to do is fill it in with some Dollar Tree sand, give me a beachy sandy bottom. I just kind of want to do colors on this for the beach scene because you're not going to be able to see the details inside because of that cool pattern on it. But I thought some of these little glass beads or glass gems from the Dollar Tree would be really pretty. These are the ones that are like that blue glass that's like see-through, but also the white ones are more opaque. So I really want you to be able to see like the light through the glass. So I'm actually going to separate mine into like the blue glass marble ones and not use the like opaque white ones. And I kind of want just to kind of fill it up, make it look like ocean water, like sitting on top of the sand to kind of give an ocean feel. And using a little solar light from the Dollar Tree, that's going to fit on there pretty well on top of the jar. I did decide I wanted a little bit more of the gemstones. You could also do that with the sea glass that they have at the Dollar Tree. I'm not a big fan of the colors that comes in though. I think this is prettier, this blue color. Now I want this to be able to hang up. So before I attach the solar light, I'm going to go ahead and take some Dollar Tree twine and hot glue a little rope hanger on this one so that I can make this a hanging light like that. Now, once I have that on there, I can go ahead and hot glue on my solar light top. And I really just like using the tops for these. That just leaves a little exposed light bulb inside that will light up all of your DIYs. Now I want to kind of hide the sides of the solar light and kind of make the handles go straight up. So I'm going to kind of sandwich those under the Dollar Tree rope. I'm using the brown rope for this one. And I'm going around the glass first. And then I'm also going to do like the sides of the solar light. So this one's probably not as removable, but since it's glass and I'm going to hang it, I want it to be strong and I don't want it to break. So that's why I glued the rope on both parts and not just the top of this one. So just making sure my hanger stays towards the top. I'm just going to keep going around it until all of the sides of the solar light are covered with the rope. This is like the one that has like the prettiest design at night. It's so beautiful. I have this one out in my Florida room right now and I'm really enjoying this one. So it took quite a bit, but that should be enough to cover the sides of the jar and the sides of the solar light. And we have a little hanging jar. It is a little on the heavy side with all of those little glass gems inside of it. And let me show you how this one looks. So we have our little ocean water on top of our sand. So you're getting that like slight coastal vibe. So it looks really pretty in the daytime. This is what it looks like in the daytime with the beautiful like rope top. Give you that beach feel. And this is the beautiful design it has at night. Isn't that amazing? The combination of the gemstones and then that crisscross pattern. And I think they have this in a few different jars at Dollar Tree with the crisscross pattern. I think they have a square one too.